Welcome to an educational journey about earthquakes, exploring their nature and impact on our world. Earthquakes, the powerful geological events that shape our landscapes and communities. Discover the causes behind these seismic shifts, unlocking the mysteries beneath the Earth's surface. Unravel the intricate formation process of earthquakes, a fascinating dance of tectonic plates. Delve into the risks associated with earthquakes, understanding the potential dangers they pose to society. Educating ourselves about earthquakes is crucial in preparing for and mitigating their impact on lives and infrastructure. Let's delve deeper into the seismic forces that shape our world, highlighting the importance of seismic awareness. By understanding the science behind earthquakes, we empower ourselves to make informed decisions in high-risk areas. Join us in this exploration of Earth's powerful yet unpredictable phenomena, shedding light on earthquake preparedness. From fault lines to aftershocks, each aspect of earthquakes carries valuable lessons for our safety and resilience. Stay tuned as we unravel the seismic secrets beneath our feet, enhancing our understanding of these natural events. Educate, prepare, and stay vigilant. Together, we can build a safer future in the face of seismic challenges. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of earthquakes, where knowledge is our shield. Remember, understanding earthquakes today secures a more resilient tomorrow for generations to come. Stay informed, stay prepared, and together, we can navigate the seismic landscapes with wisdom and caution. Earthquakes, a reminder of Earth's power, and a call for us to respect and adapt to the forces that shape our world. Thank you for exploring the depths of seismic knowledge with us. Let's continue to learn and grow together. Stay curious, stay safe, and embrace the ever-evolving science of earthquakes for a safer tomorrow.